BMW's air rammer eliminates the most troublesome part of the machine, the engine. Having worked with small engines for nearly 30 years, it's no surprise to me that gasoline or diesel engines in this application require constant maintenance. Maintenance such as this unit is jumping up and down 600 to 700 times a minute. Just imagine what is happening inside that engine. An air rammer uses an air motor which holds up because it has less than 15 internal moving parts, whereas a gas engine can have more than 50. To help keep maintenance down in other areas, MBW uses UHMW slide bearings in the lower end to reduce friction and wear. Compare this to the competition who uses metal on metal. This makes for a long life, low maintenance machine. We didn't forget about safety either. The air rammer design is ideally suited to an operator presence control. The operator must engage the lever to put the machine into action. When released, it stops. Operator presence control, the lack of onboard fuel, and zero emissions may make the air rammer the safest rammer out there. We are so confident in the dependability and performance of this unit that we back it with a 3-year parts and labor warranty and a lifetime bellows warranty.
We've never had to wait for parts at all because the units have not broken down. After 5 years of service, they're still going strong today.